In today's video, I'll teach you how to create AARP account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in aarp.org. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of AARP. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to create the account for yourself, what you can do is simply click on this option, join, that you can see on the screen. Or you can also click on the register option that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to create the free online account for yourself. All you have to do is enter these credentials that you can see on the screen. So first of all, enter the email address. Click on the field of email address and enter the email address over here. Likewise, re-enter your email address. Now create a password for yourself. Click on the field of password and create a password. Your password must be between 8 to 64 characters. Now once you do that, enter your first name. Likewise, enter your last name. Now also select your date of birth over here. Click on the field of date of birth. Now first of all, enter the month. Now enter the day. Now enter the year over here. Likewise, select the country and enter the zip or postal code over here. Now for security reason, you'll have to go through the security challenge. Enter the moving letters over here. Now scroll down. Now check on this box. I agree to AARP's terms of service and privacy policy. Now click on the option register that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your account has been created. You need to verify your email address. You can do it later on. Click on the option visit my account and you'll be able to see your account over here. So like this, you'll be able to create the AARP online account. So that is how you create AARP online account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.